Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is David Ismail Herianto. Today I will present about Adobe Lightroom. Lightroom is a RAW converter. When you add image, you manage the file type silently in the background. When you use other software, you might have to use another program to edit and convert. Adobe has built one of the most popular post-processing programs for photographers. This is where most photographers start their journey of working on their image. With this program, you can do anything as it is versatile and simple to use. Who is Lightroom for? Lightroom is a professional tool for photographers. Most of adjustments you would want to apply to an image are all here. In one easy to use, no-nonsense package. It would also suit people who take a lot of images, be them photographs of your pets or a street documentary project. Aspiring photographers would get a lot out of this software due to the control it gives you. There is learning curve at the beginning, but this leap fast and is well worth the repetition. Lightroom supports images in all kinds of formats, TIFF, DNG, and JPEG, but also CR2 and NEF, which are RAW file type of Canon and Nikon. Benefit: support RAW file formats. For professional photographers, taking pictures in RAW format is highly invited, because photos in RAW format will be collected all image data captured by the camera sensor, in contrast to the JPEG format whose data is compressed. However, photo editing applications on smartphone rarely support the RAW file format. 2. Cloud synchronization feature is available. The cloud synchronization feature is one of Adobe Lightroom's greatest strengths. You can save photos that are being edited in the cloud and can be accessed through any device. So you can start editing on a PC, then continue it on your smartphone or tablet, and can immediately upload it on social media. 3. Very complete photo editing feature. You could say Adobe Lightroom is an all-in-one photo editing application. With this application, you can edit standard photos such as fiddling with lighting, contrast, highlight, shadow, white and black hues. In addition, you can edit colors by editing color temperature, hue, vibrance, and saturation. 4. Has an easy-to-understand interface. In addition, Adobe Lightroom is also superior in terms of user interface, or UI. After downloading, you will be directly to log in or create a new account. Furthermore, you can directly add and import photos. With one click, you can directly edit photos as you wish. 5. We can create and save our own presets. After editing photo, we can save our own preset. The trick is to press the 3 vertical dots at the top right, then click Create Preset. After that, you can name your preset and save it. In addition, you can create preset group to group preset according to the desired category. 6. The web sharing feature makes it easy for us to share photos. There are still many Adobe Lightroom features that you can try. One of them is the web sharing feature. This feature makes it easy for you to share photos with other people. Click the 3 vertical dots on the top right, then after that click the plus. You can add the top right and select Create a new album. Superiority. 1. Adobe Lightroom versus Pixco. Like most photo editors, both Pixco and Adobe Lightroom have the basic editing tools convert. They are on pretty much equal footing when it comes to allowing user adjustment and exposure, contrast, sharpness, saturation, and well balanced. Lightroom does have more advanced options compared to VSCO and color adjustment. 2. Adobe Lightroom versus Capture One. Beginner friendly or not? There's a steep learning curve for photographers who want to start with Capture One. The program has lots of advanced tools. This might make the editing process very challenging for beginners. Lightroom is more beginner friendly. According to many users, its interface is simpler, thanks to its straightforward modules and panels. This doesn't mean that beginners should avoid Capture One at all costs. If you are okay with the steep learning curve, you should have no problem using the program. 3. Advantage Adobe Lightroom Mobile has over Google Snapseed. Complete better RAW editing support. If you have subscription, you can even edit RAW image from your DSLR and mirrorless cameras and apply lens correction and all. True select clarity, the haze, texture are missing on Snapseed. Noise reduction and sharpening, which are necessary tools for RAW editing, are available on LR Mobile, but missing on Snapseed inbuilt camera app with a free Pro mode as well as HDR mode. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.